a stable virtual lab. When I enter this, there are 2, 3 different virtual lab institutes. So let us try this one first at IIT Roorkee. Let's say I have clicked this one. Here we see a stable and monostable multivibrator using 555 IC. So we'll go for simulation. So we have two experiments, stable and monostable. Let us click one. When I see a stable multivibrator using IC 555, here we can observe that the circuit is given and we need to do certain connection. So connections are very easy. Instructions are given in this, how to connect the supply, connect the CRO and everything. So how it has to be connected, the instruction is given. So let us do like that one. So first is to connect this one, then you can connect this now to this to CRO, and next is ground to CRO. Now we'll check whether the connections are okay or not. When I check this, it says it is a right connection. So I'll say it's okay. Now I need to see for different values of register, I should check and try to get the various values. Here I can get the pulse width, time constant, duty cycle and its frequency. So let us select certain register. Let's say I am selecting RA register as 1K. I have selected 1K, capacitor is 0.01, and now I say calculate. When I say calculate pulse width, it is giving me 0.338, means on time is 338. I can say add to the table. So as soon as I say add to the table, I get these values. RA is 1K, RB is 3.9K, capacitor is zero point 0.1 microfarad. If you do the calculation, you'll be able to do the calculation like this. How do we do it? We know for a stable multivibrator using IC 555, we have on time, or you can say charging time, as 0.693 RA plus RB into C. So by just putting the values, we can get the on time. Okay. Similarly, off time, that is discharging time, it discharges through RB and C. So 0.693 RB C. So here we can get the discharging time. And the duty cycle we can calculate by T on upon total T, or we can say Tc upon total T, which is nothing but a Tc upon Tc plus Td. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the duty cycle, and the frequency of oscillations are given by, is given by 1.44 upon Ra plus 2 times Rb. As we add Tc plus Td, Rb comes double, but Ra is in a single, only in the charging path. So we can get, with this formula, we are able to calculate the frequency of square pulse. Okay, so that we can calculate. Now, in the same way, when I see here, you can observe here. Let's say this process is started from this one. You can say this is a negative and 0. You are getting a high pulse for, you can say, up to this moment. Okay, and here it is a 3.381. So you can observe here the pulse width is of 0.338. It is multiplied by 10 in order to visualize this one. So here you can see, you can calculate theoretically and try to get it confirmed that you are getting the correct value. Similarly, time constant, it is given. Similarly, duty cycle you can calculate. So it is coming out to be 50.68, that you can verify. And now let us change certain different value. So now I am changing the RA value to, let's say, some 2 kilo. So accordingly I am saying calculate. Now the pulse width is changed. I am saying add it to the table. Now RA is 2 kilo, RB is this one, For that you do a calculation, so you'll see from 0 to 4.07 is a on time, and off time is up to this one 6.76. So this is the total time you can say from this to this. Actually here it is missing, it should come like this one. And also the capacitor voltage is not shown to the proper scale, it is not, it is erroneous, it is not coming properly. So in this way you can take different readings, like I am saying 2.6, or you can say let us say value 3 kilo, then I say calculate, then I say add it to the table. So accordingly you will have the different values, and you can do various, you can take various values. Let's say for 3.98, calculate, add it to the table, and you can get a different values of this one. So in this way you can carry out the astable multi-arbitrary using IC 555. Okay, so you'll get such relations and you can verify at your end. Similarly, you can take the printout of this one, you can save it. If you want to convert it into PDF, you can convert it just by printing. Okay, now let us perform astable multi-arbitrary virtual lab. I'm just entering Astable Virtual Lab in the Google. I'm getting such links. So let us perform this Astable in the IIT Mumbai site, Bombay. I'm just clicking it. Now here you can see Astable and monostable both are there. Let's jump to the simulation only. So when we jump to the simulation, we see circuit diagram is coming out for astable and monostable. So we'll perform the astable multivibrator. Here VCC is given 12 volt. Okay, we can change the value. Similarly, RA, RB, C value you can choose accordingly. Let us see for this given RA is equal to 10 kilo, RB is equal to 10, and C is equal to 1 microfarad. We can do the calculation and we can come out with the calculation. For astable, as we know that the charging time, that is on time, is given by 0.693 RA plus RB into C. So we can calculate the on time. Similarly, discharging time or off time, we can calculate to 0.693 RB into C. And in this way, we can calculate the duty cycle. It is the ratio of on time to the total time, TC upon T. And the frequency of oscillations can be calculated by this formula. So let us verify this by doing actual practical. Here we'll do, it is said, let us say start. I'll click with the start. When I click a start, I get the frequency is 0.048 kilohertz. Let us check that one. And also time period, that is it is giving us 20.83. Duty cycle is 66.66. So theoretically you are supposed to do calculation, and you can observe here you are getting this waveform here as a output of these stable multivibrator. You can observe it is starting from 0 and you are getting on time as 13 point something 8. If you can observe here, it is roughly, you can say, a 13 point, roughly near about 14. And if you see up to this time, you are getting 20.6 roughly. Here it is giving us 20.83. So we can observe this, that up to this it is approximately same 20.8. Okay, it is giving us 20.8. If I put a cursor here, I am getting a time period of 20.8. If I take a reciprocal of this, I'll get the frequency, that is 0.048 kilohertz, or we can say it is 480 hertz. Okay, let us change the value. I'll change the value. Let's say RB I am changing, so that off time should be changed. Okay, so I'll select, let's say 30 kilo. Okay, I am increasing the RB, so off time should get increased. Okay, so I'll here I'll say start. Now for this change value, RA is equal to 10 kilo, RB is equal to 30, and 1 microfarad capacitor. You can observe now the off time is increased, and the total time, if I See from this one, this is the 27.9, you can say approximately on time, and up to total time period it is coming out to be 48 point something. Okay, that we can verify through this one. So 48.6 it is coming, and duty cycle is 57.14. That you need to verify theoretically doing the calculation with the given formula. So in this way we can carry out the stable multivibrator in the virtual environment by taking the different values.